SMCI came out with their earnings date. And I knew because last quarter, my team was playing calls for SMCI because for some reason it was traveling around that SMCI was going to upgrade their guidance prior to earnings. And that's when the stock went 100 and 200 points. So for them to come out and just put their earnings date, usually for a normal company, that's fine. They're not pre-announcing. But that said, that they're not pre-announcing a higher earnings. So when you have a stock that moved as much like Nvidia and SMCI and those guys, it was a disappointment. And you had to know that, put it together, either get out of your long or get short. I was just out of the way on both. So now what? You go to SMCI, pretty big breakaway gap to the downside, broke this neckline, went as low as what? 710. So 710 is support pivot. The question is, how much of Friday are they going to take back? First of all, from 1229, this is a whole descending trend line that it broke above and failed. Thank goodness it's failed before that. Otherwise, some active traders might have been caught. So with that said, SMCI is bouncing back 14, not a whole lot. Right now, this is at 727. So it's right here at the bottom third. I would just avoid this. I'm not going to trade. If this was lower by 20, maybe there's a good trade to go red to green from 1,000 to 700 to 30% in 3 days. But if it's opening up a little bit, you just want to fade it, be my guest. But they could push you back